Back in 2019, one of my design trend predictions was seeing more 3D objects in design. 3D is what I consider a macro trend, or a trend that can span years, if not decades. I believe we're in the middle of a 10-year 3D super trend. This is because there have been a lot of advancements in 3D software to make it more approachable and easy to use. There is a free 3D motion software called Blender that gives anyone access to 3D creation tools without any cost. This is why we are seeing an explosion of not just 3D objects, but now 3D typography. As mentioned earlier, Adobe Dimensions in early 2020 came out with a new Type 3D object feature where you can quickly make any typeface as a 3D object. You can apply various materials and skins to this 3D object to make it hyper-realistic. In 2019, when I first talked about 3D objects as a trend, we used Adobe Photoshop to create simple 3D objects. Photoshop is great for doing quick 3D projects, but the trend in 2021 will focus more on the hyper-realistic typography look. This means 3D type will have more realistic lighting, materials, refraction, reflections, and other effects that are once impossible with lower-cost software. Expect more bevels in 3D type. This creates complex layers that add depth and richness. It can also make type feel rounder and softer. I think we'll start seeing less super shiny materials being used, but more matte or low gloss effects, giving type a tactile feeling. There will be more experimentation with textures and shapes within 3D type, instead of just using one simple single material in a character. As software improves the appearance of light and shadows in 3D, you will notice more refraction, glass, and characters with transparency as well. And we are going to create our very own 3D typography poster using Adobe Dimensions. We will stack our letters so they hug each other to create a unified design. I'll see you in Adobe Dimensions, and this is actually a lot easier than you're thinking. So I'll see you in the next lesson.